Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angisha here, and today I'm going to show you what all this fuse tool box contains. So I recently brought my new fuse tool from Crafters Corner. I have also added a direct link for you to buy in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box if you want to buy one of the fuse tool. Okay, so let's open it. So this packaging includes one description paper where all the details about the fuse tool, in what time does it get heats, how to use the ruler, everything is mentioned, so you can just go through about this. This packaging includes one fuse tool ruler. So this ruler comes in the size of inches and metrics, so you can use according to your needles. Then it has this fusing tool, and it eventually gets hit when you plug this in. So it is around 120 volts, and I'm going to use this in India, so these plugs are not going to work for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a voltage converter which will convert the voltage in Indian voltage, so it will be safe for me to use this tool. Please keep in mind, if you are using this tool in India, you need to have a voltage converter to use this tool perfectly. Next they have this fuse tool holder. So whenever you are done working with the tool, you can just place this tool until and unless it gets cooled down, then you can put this. Then here you get these two tools. One is the cutting tool and the another is a photo sleeve tool, which will actually seal your plastic sleeves, so you can make shaker tags and you can work with plastic pockets. And here are some of the projects that I did using the fuse tool. This is the one tag that I did. Then I made this beautiful shaker card, and then I made this photo sleeve so that I can just put this in the scrapbook pockets. So this is just beautiful. I just sealed all the love sentiments together. So this was all about the fuse tool. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I am coming up with a tutorial on how to use fuse tool, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, if you have any doubt using the fuse tool, do let me know in the comment section about the same. See ya.